Hey y'all, it's Savannah coming at you with an unboxing video. I recently got a brand new phone and I'm super excited. And so this is it. I have been with Verizon for a long time. I mean, a really long time. And I've been really happy with their service, but I live in a place that's kind of like a tree house, and when summer came and all the trees started blooming and all the leaves started coming out, my service started getting bad. So I thought, this is awful and I need to check out another service company. So I've been with Verizon, but since I moved to this house, I've gotten Spectrum Wi-Fi in my house too. And so I also realized that they had just gotten phone service, and I've been wanting to get it for a long time. I've been putting up with a bad signal for a long time, and I finally took the challenge and just went ahead and got my brand new phone and new phone service, and I'm really hoping that it works out. I'm really excited. I've had an iPhone SE for a long time, but it was, just recently, like they said, they're not making it anymore, and so I was kind of bummed about that. It still updates, but my screen is really, really bad on the SE, and I couldn't take the cracks anymore. It's really, really bad. So the guy on Spectrum told me that there's a brand new SE, and that's what I'm about to unbox. So excited that there's a new SE because I really like the old one. So this is a brand new SE Apple iPhone that has all the capabilities of the 11. We shall see if that's true. So I've opened the box. Spectrum Mobile Activation Guide for Apple Devices. Let's get started. Here's what's included: the iPhone, SIM card, and a SIM ejector tool. Alrighty. So it's prepare for activation, insert your SIM card, activate your device online, and device tips. So I've never done this before. Usually I just go into the Verizon store and set up my phone, and they basically do it all for me. But I did talk to the the Spectrum customer service. They were very helpful, and he said it would be easy enough for me to do. So I'm hoping that's the case. Please keep all packaging and materials included in this order. And if you need any help or have any questions, call us at the phone number for Spectrum Mobile. Look, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Okay. Now this is probably where I wish I had a knife. So here is what is this called again? The SIM card. Show that to you close up. Got my handy dandy little pen here. Oh, I don't even need that. Look at that. Beautiful. That was really easy packaging. That was pretty cool. Oh, it has a little arrow on it too. See that little tiny green arrow? I don't know if you can see that, but anyways. Okay, so I'm over supposed to be, well, maybe I shouldn't tell you the color. Maybe I should just surprise you. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It is red, and I'm so excited. Adapter cord. Came with wireless headphones. That's pretty sweet. Or maybe they're not wireless. Nope, they're not, but they still look pretty sweet. Beautiful. Very nice. So the SE has the home button again. I heard that from the Spectrum customer service guy that people were complaining about no home button on the new phones. So look, it's got that. Oh, so beautiful. But it's not press button, home button, so it's a little different. Look how beautiful and shiny that is, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see if this bad boy turns on. Hello. Hola. Hello. Bonjour. I don't know what that says, but I'm sure it says hello. Let's set this to English. I live in the United States. I'm not going to choose a Wi-Fi right now because I don't have one. I'm really excited. Of course, it came with a USB adapter for charging. Okay. So it has this product red. Let's see. Welcome to iPhone. Side button, Touch ID. And it says ring/silent switch, choose ring mode or silent mode, volume buttons, adjust volume button, tips, check out the tips app or visit apple.com/iPhone to get the most from iPhone. Wireless charging, well, that's cool. With the screen facing up, place the iPhone on a QI certified wireless charger to charge. Lightning connector, charging iPhone and Connect accessories. Here's that little thingy that they were talking about earlier. I don't know what that's called. SIM ejector tool. Okay. I guess it doesn't come with like a big booklet like they used to tell you about the phone. At least I don't see one. I guess it tells you online to save paper. But that's about it. I'm not going to do a super long video because my phone is about to die, and then that is another reason why I needed a new phone, because my battery is very short-lived. Alright, thank you. We'll see y'all later. And if you like this video, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for another video.